Friends, it's been a while again. It's your boy Joey. Yeah, so you're gonna notice the camper's not in the front yard. We're doing a camper update. It is now January. I see 22 degrees out there. I'm gonna start doing a little weather report on my videos for those of you who don't live around here. I got some stuff in the truck to bring in, but yeah, I'm gonna bring that stuff in, clean up the camper, and then I'll show you around and the new plans. So see you soon. All right, it's a few hours later. Holy crap, it's bright out here. But we're in the backyard. You can see, you know, here's the camper. We got kind of a fence. We got the garage. Come around the side. We got the Jeeps. So it's fairly protected from wind, so it's a lot more quiet. It's a lot more warmer. It's not in here right, but the person helping me doesn't have experience. I don't have a lot of experience backing up something so big. And it was dark, it was cold, just wanted to get it in here. Gotta pull it out anyways in the springtime because we gotta clean up all this garbage. Gonna try and chop this down. Gotta decide how I'm gonna run power and water out here. Because I think, at least for the next few years, this is gonna be my permanent home. We got Frankie coming. Talking about Frankie. We got them a cat door. Should have gotten a bigger one, but they can fit in and out of that, and they do use it. I'm also going to run a LAN cable from the house across here somewhere, or maybe go along the ground. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but changes. Right now the computer is not here. We have Dad's stereo that he hasn't been using. We pulled this computer, put it in the bedroom, and the bedroom computer, which you don't know about, it's just laying up there. But I got the big speakers from the bedroom, you all know. I've been having heater problems. The little diesel heater, it will keep this place pretty warm, but for some reason it keeps sitting up. I gotta tear it apart and clean it. And then what happened, I broke the wires off the glow plug, which is what makes the diesel fuel poof into fire. And so what happened after that, I tried to repair it, get it all together, hit the power button to turn it on, and whoop, snap, pop, and shut down. So there's that. And to go from there, hold on. Okay, we're back. So anyways, I've been having heat issues in here. Also because, you know, there's no insulation. That happens from getting crazy sick in November. It was a mold issue. And I was basically sick the whole month. Out of condition, couldn't work, couldn't do anything. And so now I'm slowly working on that. As you can see, I got some up here. Got some up there. I got the wall here, some in there. And I've sealed up almost all the holes in here. And with this thing on full blast, with the fan blowing, it keeps it tolerable, about 45 degrees right now. It is also, what, like 20 degrees outside? 5 degrees? We did have an issue, and I had been thinking I should drain all the water out of everything because the heater keeps breaking while I'm at work. But I'm like, nah, I come home, I fix it, it's all fine. Yeah. My water filter's broke. And oh, actually I can still use that one on the left if I get a new base or cup. But that's just a mount. I can put new water filter things on there now that I'm looking at it. And they're not that expensive, so really, it sucks, but I learned, and I want to move all that stuff anyways. The speakers are going to get moved. But, oh yeah, the big changes. This is where the closet was. We have a table here. We got the couch here. And we moved the computer desk over here in the corner. The closet. Oh yeah, the bedroom too. I pulled both side closets, turned the bed sideways, and right along here is the closet hanger thingy. It's not perfect. I do want to take this off here, knock this wall out, and have all my clothes hanging in here, with the door from about here to here, so I can pull out my main clothes and have the rest on that side. That way, you know, my clothes aren't just hanging out all over the place and I got them all hung up. Let's see. The bathtub is tilted up. I got too annoyed by it. I'm too tall. It's broken. I don't bathe anyways, and I haven't had any lady friends over that would want to bathe in it. So, you know, I'm just like, you know what? We're gonna get it out. So for now, it's up and in the corner. We're going to put a corner stall bathroom here, and the toilet's gonna be next to it. And I gotta decide if I want to have a little bathroom sink or we're just gonna use the kitchen sink. This one's gonna go away, black tank's gonna go away, which means this black pipe is gonna go away. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for the toilet. Got some options, but you know, they're all expensive and they all have pros and cons. Let's see. The fridge broke, so I have this dorm fridge basically. I'm going to try and find a full-size fridge. I want to find a residential stovetop and oven, because I find I want to be cooking bigger things, but possibly a convection oven if I can. That's basically an air fryer. God, this thing's floppy around today. Well, at some point this video stopped recording and I wasn't paying attention. I'm a big dummy, but I know I left off at the fridge. We want to replace the stove with something bigger and more residential. We want to get a smaller single hole sink, I think. So all of that will get pushed down here. This will get pushed over here. Under here will be something about the height of the chair. 2 or 3 probably. And they will have a cushion on top, something you can put on the back. And then they'll be on rails so you can slide them out, sit on them, eat here, push them back in. And then the table, you know, I'll have coffee maker, Vitamixer, stand mixer with a whole bunch of attachments. We'll have a toaster oven, possibly a microwave over there. We want the bigger fridge. We gotta figure out the heat options that we want long term. Oh, AC. I didn't talk about that, but we definitely want AC. I'm looking at DIY mini splits. I've heard they're real good for RV use. And we want to wall off the bathroom. I think the bathroom will be about here. Down there. This will probably end up over part of that window. We'll see. And of course the corner bathroom. And yeah. I forget what else I was talking about, because I suck and I didn't script this and I just do everything off my head. The computer area is going to get tweaked. We're going to get monitors that go on stands. They'll probably be on the wall. The Vizio will be on the wall. I got the PS3 in there, but I gotta clean it. That'll end up out here. I have a Nintendo Wii I have to hook up out here. I'm gonna buy a new PlayStation 4. That's gonna go in the bedroom, and I'm gonna start gaming. We're probably gonna start game streaming again soon. I'm gonna start a separate channel for all of that. Now let's see. I think that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about right now. Anyways, I love this thing for the most part. I've learned a lot. And got a lot of decisions to make, what I'm going to do. Anyways, peace out, keep trying things. Because you never know what you'll end up learning or loving. And Mike's being weird like always. Oh, Frankie. Mike, let him in. Frankie, come on. Yeah, I missed Mikey coming in. That's how I found out the camera wasn't filming. Is he gonna do it? Oh look, Mike's trying to push it open for him. Come on. Come on! No, I guess not. Anyways, peace out. I'm hungry. And I want to get this done. I want to relax. So, yeah, peace out. See you next time.